Hello everyone, in this video you will learn about 5 mistakes that most people make on their resume. These are 5 sins which most people commit and which backfires in the screening process. Number 1, people put an objective at the top of their CV which is nothing but few sentences of English which actually mean nothing. And let me read one example for you. Looking for a position in an organization where I can utilize my skills in line with the organization's objective so that I deliver value and it helps me and the organization both to grow continuously. Now, what kind of an objective is this? This is nothing but plain English which does not make any sense. And why do you think you have put it on your CV? Most of you have put it on your CV because you saw somebody else do the same, or because your CV was copy pasted from somebody else's CV. So please don't do that. Get that objective out of there if it is not very specific or concrete with respect to the job opening. Instead, replace that objective with a career summary. Tell them something very concrete about yourself in those 2-3 lines and use it as a summary or as an opening statement. Sin number 2, people don't do grammar checks, people don't do spell checks before they send out their CVs. And believe me, a lot of customers and clients reject CVs just because they have grammatical errors or spelling mistakes. Sin number 3, lot of people put lot of exaggeration and lot of stuff which they should actually not put on their CV. You should see your CV as an opportunity for somebody else to question you. So if you are not very sure about a certain thing, please don't put it on your CV, remove it. I will give you one example. In few CVs in the skill section, I have seen operating system mentioned as Windows, Unix and Linux. And the CV is of a software engineer. Now, why do you want to put operating system as Windows, Unix and Linux? This is like a fresher stuff, guys. Please remove that. Don't put anything which is not making sense to you. Please read your CV yourself very critically or get it reviewed by your friend or somebody who has an eye to review it critically. Sin number 4, people mess up with dates. When they put their experiences or projects, they don't remember the dates. Sometimes the dates are overlapping, sometimes there is a gap. Please make sure that you have validated all the dates. Please make sure that you have double checked all the dates before you send out your CV. Sin number 5, people write long stories about their project in the CV. Remember, this CV is for yourself. This CV is to tell what skills you have and what kind of work you have done. It is not about the project. So if you take one paragraph to explain the project on your CV will become lengthy. And if you put everything over there in writing, then what are you going to speak in the interview? You need to save certain things so that you can speak about those things in the interview process. If you explain the entire project over there, then what are you going to speak? So these are some basics which you need to fix as soon as possible. But if you think you need advanced help, if you need keyword optimization, if you want to know why your CV is not getting the kind of response, or if you are not getting calls, then you can connect with me offline. I can try to help you. Of course, some of it is not free, some of it is paid consultancy. So that's all I had for today, guys. I'll see you in another video soon. Till then, take care. Bye.